Here's how to remove age restriction on YouTube. There's two things that we should look at. Age restriction depends on the birth date that's on your account. That may or may not be set, but you need to be 18 years or older to be able to remove that age restriction. But there's also something called restricted mode on YouTube, and that could be toggled on, or both of these could be the issue. The first one we'll look at is that restricted mode. So if we go to the upper right where our profile image is, we're going to see this little drop down and we're going to see restricted mode right down here. If we click on that, then we're going to be able to toggle off restricted mode. That could be the first and most obvious spot that's keeping you from watching age restricted videos or age restricted content. The second is the account that you're on and what's that birth date on that Google account. So to look at that, we're going to go to our Google account. When we drop down our profile picture, we're going to go to our manage our Google account. Inside of here on the left-hand side, we're going to go to personal info. And then inside of personal info, we need to look at birth date. If this birth date is not set correctly and you're 18 years or older, you need to set it to be your birth date so that you can actually, like YouTube knows how old you are to be able to watch that age-restricted content. So you would click on that and go and adjust it and set it to the correct birth date. Now on mobile, you can actually access both of these as well. So if you're in the YouTube app on your phone, then inside of the app in the lower right-hand corner, we're going to see our profile image. And when we click on that, we're going to be on this type of page. And in the upper right, we have a gear icon. And when we tap on that and then tap on general, we're going to see restricted mode right here. This should be the same for Android and iPhone, both in the YouTube app. And we can toggle restricted mode off if it's toggled on. Now you can also manage your Google account. So if you back out a little bit and you're back to your accounts page, in the upper left is an accounts drop down. And from here we can say manage our Google account for the account that we're trying to watch the restricted content on. And we can do the same thing. We can click or tap on personal info, check our birth date, and then be able to change that birth date to accurately reflect that we're 18 years or older to be able to watch that account. So both of those features, turning them off and then setting your birth date correctly, will allow you to watch age-restricted content on YouTube. Hopefully this helped you out. Leave a like on the video if it did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.